Hello everybody, here we are on a weekend doing some magical shopping, and I was thinking about a story I wrote with the kids in class this week called The Monsters Are Due on Maple Street. Now, if you recognize that name, if you're a Twilight Zone fan, it was one of the most amazing Twilight Zone stories. Well, it's not something you would necessarily see on necessarily the ride, Tower of Terror. It is something that really talks about the social aspect of how people treat one another. How the story goes is at a town and on a Maple Street, the light starts going off, electricity starts going dead, and people are wondering why. Then all of a sudden, a little boy named Tommy just puts the idea in their head. You know, I've heard there were aliens here, and aliens are among us, and they could be family members, they could be anybody, a man, woman. And so suddenly everybody starts to think and question one another. And they focus on this one gentleman named Goodman, the oddball in the neighborhood. And they start questioning everything that he does and starts accusing him of being the alien. And they go through this the whole way, and they start accusing and treating each other in not the nicest fashions. And, you know, it makes you think, is this how we treat each other in everyday life? Just a little bit of doubt has us turn on one another. Now, I'm going to say spoiler alert if you do want to go back and watch that episode, because I'm going to tell you what happened. So eventually, what happens is, not only do they start accusing one another, they start killing one another. And then the aliens eventually do come about and say, all it took was turning off the electricity. All it took was just putting a little bit of doubt into one another. And there's this Maple Street, and I'm sure this can happen in all the other Maple Streets. So what an amazing episode. And if you haven't watched it, I believe it's in season 1 of the Twilight Zone. And when the new Twilight Zone came out, I guess in the late 90s, they did do this story with Andrew McCarthy, but it wasn't as good as the original. So remember, folks, when something like this happens, and we could all learn, and then doubt comes about, get the evidence first. Don't just be so quick to go after one another. It really was a great examination into society. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.